Hi guys, I'm Sonika. Today I want you all to meet someone very special and for the first time on my channel. My Nikon D5300. Say hi, say hi, say hi.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
I am so happy at buying my first DSLR. It's a dream come true. A year back I did not imagine myself buying a DSLR, but I finally did. Enough talking, now let's get into its specifications and let me unbox it for you. This is a 24.2 megapixel camera with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS function. I bought this with two kit lenses. First, the AFP 1855mm kit lens, and second, the AFP DX Nikon 7300 VR lens. At Amazon, this was costing me more than 51,000, so I decided to buy it off a dealer in Ford's camera market for around 45,000. If you buy it with only one lens, that is the 1855mm lens, it will cost you around 37,000 rupees. I'll put its link down below where you can check it out on Amazon. I have been using this camera for the past 5 months and find it is absolutely incredible. It's 3.2-inch LCD, very angles, comes out like so. It is very useful for taking selfies and vlogging. Vlogging with this camera can be tough because it is difficult to hold this heavy camera at your arm's length at all times. I really love its sensor size. Its sensor size is 23.5 into 15.6 mm with full HD recording in varying frame rates at an amazing resolution of 1920 to 1080. It has really helped me improve the quality of my vlogs. It is great for low light photography with an ISO range of 100 to 12,800. But if you pump your ISO more than 1000, it starts giving you a lot of grief. It has a manufacturer warranty of 2 years. Previously, I had the Nikon Coolpix D5300, which I used for more than a year. After using my point and shoot camera, this offers me a lot of freedom. I have also made reviews of my point and shoot camera Nikon Coolpix D5300. You can check them out here or also with the link down below. It is a great camera for beginners. This camera offers me complete control over its settings and use my creativity in the best way I can. Now I can experiment with different lenses and filters. There's so much for me to learn. But for now, let me unbox this camera for you. So here is the box of Nikon D5300. Make sure the seal is unbroken. Now we dive inside. This is the camera's user manual. 7300 lenses user manual. Now here is a CD. It includes a free DSLR tutorial and a software View NX2, which has a photo editing and video editing software inside. You can use that, it's free. Service and warranty cards. Now it's time to go really deep. Here is my camera body. This is my camera body. Look at this baby. Battery charger along with the battery. USB cable, HDMI cables, battery cap, memory card holder along with a 16 GB memory card, eyepiece cap, (1855) lens, the 7300 lens. Woo. Now let me turn it on for you and show you how it looks. I put in my battery inside like so. And my memory card. Remove my lens cap. White meets white. The white dot should meet, and I rotate anti-clockwise. Take out the screen, rotate my lens, remove the second cap, and I turn it on, and my camera is alive. Along with this camera, I also suggest that you buy an extra battery because the battery wears off within 4 to 5 hours of shooting. Also, spare memory cards because raw files and recording videos with this camera can be very space consuming. There is so much for me to learn that I don't know about my camera, photography and whatnot. If you have any suggestions to give me, guys, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'm learning new things every day and I'm so excited to share them with you via my YouTube channel. And if you guys found this video to be helpful, give me a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video, because there are going to be so many videos about camera, photography and travel on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.